Our Milky Way galaxy is destined to collide with the Andromeda Galaxy. This event is inevitable, unstoppable, but we can predict what will happen. First, we need to understand that galaxies are vast collections of stars, gas, dust, and dark matter, all held together by gravity. Their appearance and composition have been shaped over billions of years through interactions with star clusters and other galaxies. Many of the earliest galaxies formed when the universe was only a few 100 million years old. Over time, these small galaxies interacted and merged, eventually forming larger ones, including giant spiral galaxies like our Milky Way. According to data from the Hubble Space Telescope, scientists predict that the Milky Way will collide with the Andromeda Galaxy. While this cosmic collision is believed to be unavoidable, the fate of our solar system during this event remains unknown. Unless humanity has conquered interstellar travel and migrated to distant stars by then, we won't be around to witness it. By that time, the Sun will have expanded and engulfed the inner planets of our solar system, including Earth. But if humans were somehow able to witness it, what would they see? The actual collision will unfold over billions of years, and by human standards, it will happen at a snail's pace. Yet one thing is certain, the light show will be spectacular. Once the collision is complete, the two galaxies will merge into a single supergalaxy. The Andromeda Galaxy is currently about 2.5 million light-years away and will take roughly 4 billion years to reach us. The entire merger process will itself take billions of years to conclude, eventually forming a giant elliptical galaxy. But what should this new galaxy be called? Observational evidence suggests that nearly every large galaxy has a supermassive black hole at its center. The Milky Way and Andromeda are no exception. When they collide, will it trigger a massive explosion? Will anything survive this catastrophic galactic encounter? The results are difficult to imagine. And when we face questions of such scale, there is one thing we must acknowledge. The existence of humanity is infinitesimally small. The Milky Way is just one of an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the observable universe. Whether humanity will even exist when this event occurs remains a mystery.